doing neck resets, there is nothing in the world as hip as the number 7 vise. I can tilt the guitar towards me as deep as I want to, quite frankly, and I can move it pretty much back and forth as far as I need. And, you know, when you're pulling sandpaper on the neck, it's solid, and I'm no longer dancing around my bench trying to hold the guitar and hold the neck. And nothing moves. It's perfect. And there's nothing like doing a neck reset when you're at the bench and you're worried about holding the guitar, holding the neck, pulling the sandpaper, and all the while you're not really even concentrating on your work. I can move the guitar into any position I want rather than hovering over the guitar and not feeling all of those aches and pains of having to tilt my body in, every which direction and what have you. So this is perfect. It does everything I need it to. No, I got a lot more to go. And it just saves time, it saves energy. I don't know how I've been working without it for so many years.